Hey, fellow language teachers. Integrating culture into your language lessons isn't just a nice to have, it's a game changer. Think about it. Language and culture are inseparable. When you teach one without the other, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to make your lessons more engaging and meaningful. So let's dive into some concrete ways you can weave cultural elements into your classes starting tomorrow. Trust me, these quick wins will make a huge difference in your students' engagement and comprehension. First up, music. Music is a universal connector, and it's a fantastic way to introduce cultural nuances. Next time you're planning a lesson, find a popular song from the target culture, play it in class, and use it as a springboard for discussion. Break down the lyrics, explore the themes, and even get your students to sing along. For example, if you're teaching Spanish, bring in a reggaeton song by Bad Bunny or a classic by Juanes. Discuss the lyrics, the cultural context, and the emotions conveyed through the music. It's a fun and effective way to get students talking and thinking in the target language. Another easy win is incorporating food. Everybody loves food, and it's a great way to make culture tangible. Plan a lesson around a traditional dish from the culture you're teaching. You could bring in a recipe, discuss the ingredients, and even have a cooking demonstration if you're feeling adventurous. For instance, if you're teaching French, you could introduce crepes. Talk about their origins, their variation, and maybe even have a mini crepe-making session in class. This not only makes the lesson memorable, but also gives students a taste, literally, of the culture. Lastly, stories are powerful. Share folktales, legends, or even contemporary stories from the target culture. These narratives offer a window into the values, humor, and everyday life of the people who speak the language you're teaching. For example, if you're teaching Chinese, you could share the story of the Moon Festival and the legend of Juanes, if I'm pronouncing that right. Use these stories as a basis for discussions, role plays, or creative writing activities. It's a surefire way to deepen students' understanding and appreciation of the culture. Make the language come alive in ways that textbooks just can't. By integrating these cultural elements, you're not just teaching a language, you're opening a door to a whole new world for your students. So go ahead and make your next lesson a cultural adventure. Happy comprehensible input.